Hello everyone and welcome to this video of me organizing my shoes for the first time in years. Okay, so here we go. We've got this. I took everything out and here is the shoe storage empty, and then I've got this from IKEA and I put everything back in it and it looks so good right now. Oh my god, yes, it looks good. And then I went to my wardrobe and started cleaning there, so I will try to organize my other shoes which are in my closet. And yeah, I'm just cleaning, and I don't know why my boyfriend, he decided to just take a video of my legs. Okay, anyway, so here we go. Now I bought this from IKEA and I'm opening them up, and the cat is here as well while I'm recording this okay, anyway, so I'm struggling. Yes, I opened them up and it was really easy actually to install them. You just open it up and there's a zipper from the other side, and whip, here we go, and it works, yay. And at that point I thought that all of my shoes will actually fit, but here we go. I'm taking the boxes because I kept those shoes inside their boxes so the cat hair and the dust won't ruin them like it did to the other shoes. Here's the first pair and let's see. Will it work? Yes, it did actually. Which is really good. Yay. And the first pair just went. Yeah, it's a successful operation. Well, the second pair is not that good. Yeah, it's a really long boot, so nope. I'm still figuring out, like I'm trying to think, okay, will it work? Maybe if I stuffed it inside. Oh no. Okay. No, no, it's not gonna work. Yeah, I'm just laughing at myself, like what I was thinking. How is it gonna go? Yeah, and I tried talking to the camera and I thought I would just talk, but no. Yeah, and the second one is not gonna work. Like seriously, why am I even bothered? No. Let's see. Yeah, I just gave up. It's not worth it. No, come on, why did I try? What? I actually tried to put it inside. Oh my god. No. Okay. I'm still thinking about it. No, it didn't work. Okay. Let's move on. 2 didn't work. Let's see. Okay, let's check this out. Will it work? I actually looked at it and I thought, it's not gonna work, but I'm gonna try. And I stuffed it inside, like, but yeah. I think it's. What do you think? It's gonna work? Well, it actually worked at the end, so it's really good. But I mean, if I'm gonna take it out later on, I'm gonna need like to pull because it's, yeah, I stuffed it and it's a little bit smushed. Okay, let's move on after this one, and here we go. No, this is my favorite shoes, by the way. Like, I love these. I love them. Oh, I love them. Okay, so no way. No way. Not even like sideways, it didn't work. Okay, I'm not gonna bend them because they are my favorite shoes, so I'm gonna put them back and sleep well, baby, sleep well. Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, these will work, like you can see it. And I love bling bling shoes, like I love everything that just sparkles, so that's why I've got like a lot of shoes with sparkles on. And yeah, yay, this worked. Okay, let's go to the next one. Woo. And yeah, I'm trying like to organize all the boxes that I have already opened, and this one is not gonna work. Like, it's impossible for this one to work. And if you guys know any storage that works for these kind of shoes, please let me know in the comments. Maybe I can buy them, because seriously, I've got a really big issue with cat hair and dust. It's annoying. And these, yeah, here I tried to be so clever, and I'm like, yeah, I can put them like this. Yeah, nope. I mean, it will fit one shoe, and then the other one, I can have it in the other box, but no. Keep it in its box, and let's go. Do I have any more shoes? I don't remember. No, I do. Wait a second. Oh, I have. Yes, I have. Of course I have. This one. Yes. The Guess shoes. And it's not gonna work. Like, nope. Don't even try. Okay. Here we go. I actually have these pajamas on me, and it's like 3 sizes bigger than my size, so please excuse me. I just thought, okay, I'll make this as natural as possible and just how I look at home. So 3 fit, and I actually bought 10 boxes, so I've got a lot of boxes left. Bye bye, see you in the next video, and here's a look of my boxes and the shoes, and yeah, see you guys, bye bye, thanks for watching.